Hey guys, Jason here. Fresh week, fresh perspective, fresh chart. Let's take a look at gold. So gold is in a beautiful uptrend on the weekly time frame. RSI is at 75.14. We got a couple of key resistances and supports that we've been able to carve out for ourselves. So that is looking good. Resistance is at 1556.88. Support is 14.83 on the weekly time frame. Bulls need to maintain this course and get a high over 1556 if we're going to maintain the uptrend. Failure to do that will have us looking at a weekly equilibrium, which offers a lot of trading opportunities. So let's take a look and check in next Monday, see how that shapes up. RSI is at 75.14, which does not add a lot of credence to the idea of a higher high on the weekly time frame. Already overextended, not cooling off very quickly, so bulls may not have the strength for a new weekly high. On the daily time frame, there is that nice setup as we saw. Here is our high, 1556, our support, triple bottom support, so very, very key for us. Bulls over the resistance at 1524 and moving nicely. RSI is at 57.98, so they could definitely make a run at 1556, but I don't believe that they will have the technical room on the RSI to break that level with any conviction. We could get a break, we could pull back, which would set that weekly uptrend, maintaining it to the upside. However, all of the energy would be expended, and it would be like asking someone to sprint after running a marathon. It just doesn't work that way. So on the daily time frame, bulls in control. Bulls need to stay above 1483. Should they lose that, they are looking way down at 1400 for support. On the 4-hour time frame, bulls still in control. 4-hour uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. 1524 was a resistance that was just recently broken, and we have 4-hour support being established at 1516. That's also going to be an hourly support for us as we continue the march up. Still a healthy move, hourly higher highs, higher lows. Bulls definitely need to maintain this course. 1526 is a key resistance. Looks like we have a minor rejection from that on the 15-minute time frame, possibly setting up an equilibrium, but I'm not going to spend too much time on that. So bulls so far in charge. Keep an eye on that weekly resistance as daily bulls continue their march to the upside. Watching out for trend changes, because right now it's all about the hourly time frame. As soon as we change that trend, we're going to start looking for some consolidation as our 4-hour RSI approaches 70 and our hourly RSI as well. All right, have a good night. We'll check in tomorrow.